Hello, first of all, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a new assignment for you. The name of this assignment is Exp25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartments. This is the new course of Exp25. I am doing this assignment for one of my student. If you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course or any other educational course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given in the description box. I can solve this assignment or this complete course for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grade for you. Here I am going to solve some part of this assignment for you. If you want me to solve rest of this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp, my email address, Facebook, Instagram, uh, uh, or anywhere you feel comfortable. You can contact me anytime. So here, first of all, we will start this assignment. The name of this assignment is EXP25 Excel Chapter 5 ML2 Apartments. Sorry. First of all, we will look at the project description. You manage several apartment complex in Phoenix, Arizona. You create a dataset that lists details for each apartment complex, such as apartment number, include the number of the bedrooms, where the unit is rented or vacant, the last remodel data, rent and deposit. You will use the data set to aggregate data to analyze the uh, apartment at the complexes. So this is our project description. Here, first of all, we will look at the step number one. In step number one, it is saying start Excel, download and open the file name exp25 Excel chapter 5 ml2 apartments. Grader has automatically added your last name. So as you download this assignment, your student last name will be at the start of this assignment. So here, let's move to the next step. So step number two, it is saying before subtotaling the data, you need to sort the data. Select the summary sheet, sort the data by apartment complex in alphabetical order and further sort it by number of beds from small to large. So here is the summary sheet, and here we will click on data, sort, and in sort it is saying apartment complex. So here apartment complex, next is the number of bed from largest to smallest, sorry, from smallest to largest. So we will sort it, click OK. So these have been sorted now. Next is the step number step number three. In step number three, it is saying you want to use the subtotal feature to display the average total deposit by number of bedrooms for each apartment. Next, it is saying use the subtotal feature to insert subtotal rows by apartment to calculate the average total deposit. Add second subtotal without removing the first by number subtotal by bed to calculate the average total deposit by number of bedrooms. So here, first of all, use the subtotal feature. For this, we will go to data tab, outline, and here is the subtotal. It is saying insert subtotal rows by rows by sorry, it is saying rows by apartment complex. So here we will uh, apartment complex to calculate average total deposit, average. So here department apartment complex average by total deposit, we will select OK. So this is done. Next one, it is saying add a second subtotal for the first by number of bed to calculate. So here we will select subtotal, replace by number of beds, number of to calculate every total deposit by number of bedrooms to calculate by number of bedrooms, number of beds, total by number of bedrooms. sorry, possible number of bedrooms. So this is, we'll select OK. So this is done. Next it is saying use outline samples to display only two levels of subtotal along with ground and grand averages. So here we will go to outline group and we will select R2. So next it is saying create an automatic collapse the outline above total deposit. So this is our total deposit. So we will uh, next is above total, uh, and also what it's saying outlines on two levels. So this is three level, so we will use two level uh, along with the grand averages. So this is the grand averages. Next one it is saying in step number 5, it is saying display the rental sheets and create a blank pivot table on a new worksheet. So here display the rental field, and it is saying blank pivot sheet new left of rental sheets. So here we will click here, insert, insert pivot table new, and it should be on left of this one. Next change the name of the worksheet to rental revenue. We will copy it and here we will paste it. So this is rental revenue, and name of this pivot table is rental revenue. So here for renaming this pivot table you will go to pivot table analyzer, and here is pivot table name, and you will select rental revenue. Next it is saying display the apartment complex and number of beds in rows. So here we will select apartment complex and number of beds as rows, and rental price field as value, rental price field as well. So this has been done. Display the apartment complex, number of beds. So this is done. Next it is saying format the sum of rental price as accounting 0 total rent collected. So here we'll go to value field setting, and it should display it accounting number 0 decimal places here, number format accounting number 0 decimal places, and its name should be total rent collected. Copy, and here we will select collect, paste, and click OK. So total rent collected. Next we will move to step number 8. It is saying select occupied field for the filter and display it yes. So here occupied field we will select it for filter, and here we will select occupied yes. So this has displayed the occupied field. Next you want to in step number 9, but before starting step number 9 I am professional, so if you want me to do this assignment or do this complete course, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. In step number 9 it is saying you want to calculate the total monthly rental revenue. If the rates increase by 5%, then we insert a new calculated field that multiply rent price by 1.5, change the name to new rental revenue, apply accounting number format and with 0 decimal places. So here we will go to pivot table analyzer, field atom, calculated field, and the name of the field should be new rental revenue. We will copy it and I will paste it here, and what it should do, it should do rental price and multiply it with 1.05. We will select and click OK, and rental revenue new rental revenue, and it should be uh, accounting number format with zero decimal places. Sorry, uh, here we will go. It should be accounting number zero decimal places and click OK. So this is our step number 9. Next we will move to step number 10. In step number 10 it is saying select B3 and C3. So this is B3 and C3, and it is saying that wrap text for this home tab, and here is the option in alignment wrap text, and next it is saying apply right horizontal alignment. This is left and this is right horizontal alignment, and next it is saying row height 29 and column width. So here we will just click here, row height 29 and column width to 15. Click OK. So this is done now. Next is the step number 11. In step number 11 it is saying apply light orange pivot medium style 10 displayed pen pro. So here light medium 10, it is light 12, light orange pivot medium 10, and it should be band rows. So this is done. Next is the step number 12. In step number 12 it is saying insert a slicer for number of beds so that you can filter uh, the data set by the number of bedrooms. Change the slicer caption to number of bedrooms. So here for this we will go to pivot table analyzer. Here is the insert slicer for number of beds, and we have to change its caption to number of bedrooms. Bedrooms. So its caption has been changed. So this is I have done 12 steps for you. This assignment is consist of 20 points. So if you want me to solve rest of this assignment, then you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email address given below in the description box. I will solve this assignment for you at a reasonable price and will provide good grades for you. Thanks for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.